Hey guys, what do you think of my new cut? It's quite nerdy, I would say. Alright guys, have you ever heard of Inkblot? Well, I'm here to show you how to navigate Inkblot. Yes, Inkblot, that's what it's called. So, when you tap on the ink block, it brings you to the home page. Now, I've been sitting here for about a minute and the home page has not loaded. Possibly because I'm kind of new to the site. Now, my microphone is on, that's good. Subscribe to others that have posts show up here. I have not subscribed to anybody, and I don't care. Anyways, the trending section is over here, and then you can follow these people over here. What does this mean? It means they're verified. No, I'm joking. It means they've gone pro. If we go to Go Pro, it will show you what the pro means. And that's what it means. People actually pay for this site, and that's very nice. And it also shows you what you are able to do, like schedule up to 3 posts, post up to 3 commissions, and do this if you're taking free forever. Now, also on the home page, they also have privacy, policy, terms of service, and content guidelines down here, which is important just in case you want to read up on it. Now you're thinking, besides the search bar up here, what does this do down here? Well, this is the AI. Now it's not really AI particularly, but it's more like ask us your questions. So it says anything you want to say, and I said no. So it asked me what my email address was, which was pretty sussy, I would say, but it's fine. It's kind of like a support here. Again, this site is very low and all that, just like my low voice here. So, and they also run on Crisp. Anyways, over here we have the news section, where they give news. Also, this site takes a lot of time to load sometimes, so it's very interessante sometimes. Almost on a VPN. Also, here we have the trending. Now I'm not going to scroll down because NSFW can be here sometimes, so we're gonna say, yep, this is how we explore. If I look up my own stuff though, Memi, it will take forever to load. Dang, what a video I'm making. But that's the search bar up there, very important. Over here we have latest, which is like the latest posts, and latest people, and latest stories, latest art, stuff like that, you know. Let's go down to notifications. I'll tell you your notifications. At the notification page is another website. Just kidding. It's another page entirely. I'm surprised you can't like just click it and go to notifications here. I'll go back to latest, and I click on this, and it just pulls up that sidebar. Very important. Then we have messages, which we have a chat. Now I'm surprised this chat doesn't pull up here, but alright. Then we have groups. Groups are very interesting. I made my own group. NSFW, of course, will be talking about gore and stuff. There's also many other groups. Now you may see that there's only one page. Well, it's a lie. If you click next, then there's 2 pages. And you keep on clicking. Pages there are, because it doesn't show up in the link, but you can keep on clicking to go through all the pages. There we go. Alrighty, what a page. Particularly if we go back, they're led on by like when you created them. So if I go to my group, you can also make a post here. And as you see, I made a post. Dang, this site takes long to load. Next up we have commissions. Commissions is important because people sell their kind of artwork for money. As you can see here, very good for explaining commissions. Then the Go Pro create post. You can create an image, video, embedded video, sorry. And also all this other stuff. Then the help center is currently down for some reason. Okay. And next up, we have categories, is where you can find categories such as 3D, comics, animal, wildlife, and more. And then art challenges, very interesting art challenges. Yeah, alright. Feedback, kind of already just this over here. Then the change log, sure. comics are somewhat existent on this. I mean, there's two, and down here by the profile we have the art and stuff. All posts, commissions, bookmarks, likes, and stuff you could do and all that.